Problems with Boxwood Blight. The symptoms are clear. Brown spots on the leaves which fall off en masse after about 3 days. Do you want healthy, fungus-free boxwood? Spray preventatively once a month from March to November with TOPBUXUS Health Mix, also known as TOPBUXUS Restore and Protect Mix. If fungus is present, first clean up the affected areas with a stiff brush or broom, then treat immediately again with TOPBUXUS Health Mix, also known as TOPBUXUS Restore and Protect Mix. The plant usually recovers within 2 months during the growing season. For truly perfect boxwood without box blight, use this simple 2-step solution. Apply a layer of TOPBUXUS carpet underneath the plants. This ensures a hygienically clean environment around the boxwood. Combine this with the monthly spraying treatment from March to November. This is the best possible way to prevent boxwood blight. TOPBUXUS, boxwood perfection made easy.